Hello children, how are you all? A very pleasant morning to everyone. Children, today we will learn all the letters, sounds. Okay children, today we will learn the alphabet and their sounds. Okay children, shall we start? So the first letter is A. The first letter is A and the sound is A. The sound is A. Apple, apple, apple. Okay, then the next letter is B. The letter is B and the sound is B. The sound is B. Ball, ball. The letter is B. The sound is B. B. Ball. So children, please practice with me. Okay, so the next letter is C. The next letter is C and the sound is K. The sound is K. Car, car, car. K, car. Okay. So the next letter is D. D. The letter is D and the sound is D. D. The sound is D. D for dog, dog. D for dog. The letter is D and the sound is D. Dog. Okay. Then the next letter is E. E. The letter is E and the sound is Elephant. 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 The letter is E and the sound is Elephant. Okay. Then the next letter is F. The next letter is F. It is fish, fish. The sound is fish. The sound is fish. Yes. Then the next letter is G. The next letter is G and the sound is G. The sound is G. The sound is G. The letter is G and the sound is G. Gun, gun, gun. G, letter G, sound G. G, gun. Yes. Then the next letter is H. Then the next letter is H and the sound is H. H, hen, hen. H, hen, hen. Then the next letter is I. The next letter is I and the sound is E. The sound is E. Insect, insect. Letter is I. The sound is E. Insect, insect. Small creatures. Insect. Yes. Then the next letter is J. Next letter is J and the sound is J. J. The sound is J. Jet, jet. The sound is J. Jet, jet. The next letter is K and the sound is K. Key, key, K. Key, key. The sound is key. Yes. Then the next letter is L. The next letter is L and the sound is L. L. Lion, lion. L. L. The sound is L. Lion, lion. Yes. Then next letter is M. 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 Sound is What is the sound, children? Monkey, monkey, monkey. Yes. Then the next letter is N. The next letter is N. The sound is nose, 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 nose. Yes. Then the next letter is O. Yes. The letter is O and the sound is O. 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 Onion, onion. O. O. Onion. Yes. Then the next letter is P. P. Letter is P. Letter is P and the sound is P. P. Parrot. P. P. Parrot. Parrot. Yes. P. Sound is P. Parrot. Then the next letter is Q. The next letter is Q and the sound qua, qua, queen, 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 qua, 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 queen, queen. Then the next letter, children, it is R, R, R letter is R, and the sound is rabbit, rabbit. The sound is and it is rabbit, rabbit. Yes. Then the next letter is S, S, and the sound is star, star. The sound is star, star. Then the next letter is T. The next letter is T, and the sound is th, th. The sound is th, th, tiger, th, th, tiger, tiger. Yes, children. Then the next letter is U. What is the next letter, children? U, and the sound is umbrella, umbrella. It is umbrella, umbrella. The next letter is V, V, and the sound is van. Then the next letter, children, it is W. What is the letter, children? W, and it is watch, watch. Yes, it is sound is and it is watch. Yes. Then the next letter is X. The next letter is X, and the sound is X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. Yes, X-ray. Then the next letter is Y. The next letter is Y, and the sound is yellow. The sound is yellow. The sound is and it is yellow color, yellow color. And the last letter is Z. The letter Z, and the sound is zebra, 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 zebra. Children, for today's assignment, please watch how the sound is produced, how we are saying each and every letter, how the sounds we are doing. We will combine it as a word and we will pronounce it, children. Please learn the sound for each and every letter. Thank you, children. Have a joyful day. Thank you very much for watching.